common issue in Tag Manager is when a click event trigger seems to be set up correctly, but the tag still isn't firing. Tag Manager has a bunch of built-in variables like click element and click classes, and preview mode will show you what these values are for every click event. When you have the Tag Assistant open, every event in your preview session will appear in the sidebar on the left. If you go into one of these click events, you will see a data layer call which has pushed some info to Tag Manager. Go to the Variables tab and you will see values Tag Manager received for that event for both built-in and custom variables. For example, you might have an event for a button link using a click element match, but if the link is nested in a clickable card, then the element returned might not be what you expected. You can also use the same Variables tab to check whether custom variables are still undefined, which indicates there is an issue with the data layer code on the page.